lighting's horrible.
We're very terrible at this.
This lighting's Eris.
I told Ashley to text me when she's up there. Yeah, she don't have service. I just thought about that.
Our so said we're in line to enter.
What?
They're in line.
You like the bitch?
There was in the way.
Ready? And it's gonna go off about now. Now. Now.
There it goes.
Tell you. I should have fucking flipped the bitch. It's sparkly. I feel like it looks less sparkly this time.
It's all the light. Oh. There's less light over there.
No.
Maybe. Looks the same to me.
It wasn't as exciting this time, I feel like.
Yeah, the first time was exciting.
Another one recording.
A few moments later.
Just puked. Sorry, bitch.
Here we go.
Okay, this is actual Rocio driving in actual Paris. Get the fuck in. No one wants to crap anyway, so it'll be good.
I believe in you.
Great, sweetie. Make your way.
You're supposed to honk at him. Yeah, I'm supposed to just keep running. Don't go in.
There, I'm almost out. Look at him, he's just going around. No one does
I
though.
know which way to go.
And then there's us.
And then here comes the ambulance.
And we survive.
Anyone want rainbows?
Yeah, I can smell it.